going to talk about Facebook stalking today. Facebook stalking is it's not a problem actually. You know what? If you have Facebook and you're watching right now, I bet you have Facebook someone at some point. In fact, I'm actually doing it right now, which made me kind of think about it. This was over on my comment things. Oh, talk about Facebook stalking. Anyway, right now I'm stalking this kid. Yeah, so specific, right? He's in 10th grade. Oh, no. He's older than me. But he's really nice, he's sweet. I've known him for a while. Our parents are pretty close. Like our moms are pretty close, so I see him a lot in like this music program that I do. Because he's a marching band, yay! Marching band, I love marching band. Actually, I love marching band. Marching band is so much fun to me. I think it's the greatest thing ever. I'm a band nerd and I'm a school nerd. I'm like a nerd in like every way. Except the fact that I play sports, which is good. But yeah, I like marching band a lot. Sorry, I don't have a high-res camera, so it's kind of cool. Oh, and it's when I made this video. I don't know if you're watching it now, 2 years from now, or whatever. It's Halloween, so that's why I got things for games. My brother made this a while ago. It's pretty cool looking with it. But yeah, Facebook stalking. Probably done it. And I'm explain what Facebook stalking is. It's when you type a person's name into the search bar, and you look at their wall, see who writes on it, go all the way down, read everything, look at their pictures, their friends, their family. See, I'm only looking at his pictures because, you know, I already know who his friends are, his family. I actually know where he lives. That's not really a stalker thing though, because the other shirt, I had to help. Like, his mom does like this thing called Orbo with my mom, and I'm actually gonna join. So, but yes. I totally forgot what I was just gonna say. No, his mom ordered these shirts, so we had to go over there, and I got to help, like, pick them out, and fold them up, and put them in a box for the marching band, and then the extras in another box. It was like horrible, because they grouped, like, the extra large isn't, like, it groups of 9, like, a 9, it's so weird. So anyway, I'm sorry for like looking back. I like to do this a lot. Sorry. But there's groups of 9. It was actually kind of awkward. But like groups of 9, groups of 7, groups of 14. I was just like, oh god. So I go through them. There's black and red. And like set them aside for the marching band and put them the extras. But he was there. He was there. Dang, can you imagine me watching this? That would suck. Well, not really. I'm just Facebook stalking because I can. So I actually wanted to ask him if his car was going to Orbo because I really needed that there. So maybe I should probably really go. And the meeting actually already started. But whatever, you know. Probably gonna see him a lot. Do that. Plus, I like his marching band pictures because I love marching band figures. Oh, and some bellies in the background. Sorry, my teeth look kind of white right now. That's weird. Yeah. I get distracted kind of easily, so. Okay. What was I going to say? Oh, he was there, like, making a band room. He has a band room! So jealous. I'm actually starting a band, by the way. Anyone, producers or anything is watching? Yes, I'm starting a band. I'll post a video or something of this. But I think you're gonna be great. Play the drums and sing, my friend sings, my friend plays guitar and sings, my other friend sings. We all sing. Kind of. Yeah, We just got really close that way. I know one of my friends do baseball, the other one lives next door to me. And one moved here last year from wherever. Baker Crossbase. She moved here. And now we're good friends because she loves band just as much as I do. So is my friend that I met through baseball. My neighbor's in orchestra. Yeah, that was him. He's also a year older than me and my other friends. My other two friends, band, and I refer to them as band and baseball. Keyboard man, you know who I'm talking about. Well, you know who baseball guy is. Anyway. Anyway. I get distracted so easily. I don't think I even talked about Facebook stalking that much. I just talked about like this kid and my band and everything. So anyway, I'm only stalking him because I wanted to find out about Orba. He's doing it, whatever. I know he's with it. See, I'm looking at his marching band pictures. He looks actually genuinely happy in marching band, which is good because a lot of people don't like it. So Facebook stalking is, I'm here to tell you, Facebook stalking is normal. It's okay. A lot of people do it. I moved my laptop and it's stupid, actually. I'm gonna never know what that. It's statues of creepy crap. Anyway. Yeah. Facebook stalking is totally okay. I got a pin from that, so. Facebook stalking is okay, it's totally normal. Everyone is Facebook. Most of the time does it. I Facebook stalk people for my friends who don't have Facebook, actually. It's really funny. I'm getting so distracted. But yes. And again, the only thing Facebook talking about is about Orba. Nothing else. Oh, also, his mom. I offered to tutor him. He was 2 grades above me, and I'm a grade below him, a grade above me. But, you know what? 97% of what you're in, you should teach someone else. I think he could help me. And if he could put it into terms of what I understand, I can help him put it into terms of what he understands a lot better than most teacher does. So, yes. I could tutor with stuff I don't even know. Oh, if you guys need a tutor and you live around, like if you live in California, I'm sorry, I'm awfully sorry, unless you pay me like $1,000 to go over there and tutor your kid, which I'm very, very good at, then, I'm sorry. If you're remotely near the northeastern states of the United States, even in Canada, well, if you're in Canada, again, $1,000. Get my passport and go through all that crap. But yeah, if you're around there, maybe $500 if you're too far, but if you're generally close, I'll tutor. I'm top notch. Just saying. Guess my friends. I love to tutor. It's so much fun. I love helping people learn. I could also tutor for a lot of grades below me. Which is 9. Nah, I'm not gonna reveal what grade I am. No, because if there's not yet, no, it's not 9. So, nah. I'm sorry. I was watching something and like a commercial just popped up. Oh, she's so stupid. Let's start moving. Anyway, Facebook stalking is definitely okay. And Google stalking, I've done that to a couple of people. Google stalking, or ask.com stalking. definitely fine. It's okay. It's okay. I do it a lot. And sometimes I get bored, like another fun picture. La la la, what? There you go. That's me. It's a video of me talking about genuinely nothing. Like 5 seconds about Facebook stalking me. 10 minutes about this kid. And everything else possible that I could talk about right now. I'm sorry, I get so distracted. But Facebook stalking. It's okay. Everyone with a Facebook does it. Even people with Facebooks without Facebooks do it. They make other people do it. It's okay. It's fine. So don't be like, I'm a Facebook stalker, I'm such a stalker, it's so weird. And like, don't make friends with friends for doing it because it's actually totally annoying. It is. It is. One way to look at people without knowing. So yeah, bye. And this kid, again, I just want to see what he's doing with them. Because I'm using a lot of him. Alright, bye. Wow, it's kind of weird. I'm listening to a commercial while like watching myself make a video. Oh god. Okay, bye. Bye now. Bye.